This is not for your breakfast. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. This balsamic fig glaze is a savory jam I serve at Christmas with foie gras or pâté, as the sweet fruit balances the richness of the liver. I never buy fig at the supermarket because they look dry and tasteless. I use the fig from my neighbor's tree. They are ready when a drop of honey forms at the back. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Start by peeling the figs. Bring the water and the sugar to a boil in a stainless steel or copper pot. Never aluminium, because it reacts with the fruit. Do not reduce the sugar, because the full quantity is what keeps it for years, while less sugar or brown sugar lasts only for a few months. Once the sugar has dissolved, add the fig. Stir in the nutmeg, the balsamic vinegar and a pinch of salt, which gives the preserves a savory taste. Let the jam simmer and stir it regularly. A foam will rise to the surface and you lift it off with a skimmer. Keep it boiling until the fig melts down into a jam. Here is how you check it's ready. Put a teaspoon on the glaze on a small plate and tilt it. And when it all still, instead of sliding down, the jam is done. For a more festive version, add a teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 cloves, or a splash of cognac or calvados at the end, letting it simmer 1 more minute so the alcohol cooks off. Now we fill the jar. Sterilize them in a dishwasher or boil them. Then fill them with the hot glaze. Seal them while they're still hot and let them cool in a dry place under a cloth. Pasteurize the filled jars by covering them with water 1 or 2 inches above the top and boiling them. To serve it, spoon a little into a small bowl and bring it to the table. Each guest lays a slice of foie gras on savory brioche, plain bread or pain d'épices, with a small teaspoon on the glaze on top. Just enough for a sweet contrast without covering the foie gras. It works just as well with pork, duck, or any wild roast. For more delicious preserved recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. Make more than 2 jars because one never lasts until Christmas.